Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are staying at home and are safe. Today's lockdown special recipe is an evening snack for children, and for that you need one ripe banana, whole wheat flour and some other ingredients. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. So I have this very ripened banana, and into a bowl I'm adding in the banana. Just slicing it. For sweetness, I have a small piece of jaggery, and with my knife I'm grating the jaggery into the bowl. Now sweetness you can increase or decrease as per your taste. If you have jaggery powder, you can use that as well. Now the jaggery I'm using is organic and it does not have any dirt or dust. So I'm adding it directly into the bowl. Now if your jaggery does have dirt or dust, you may need to make it into a syrup, strain and then use it. Into that I'm adding in half a teaspoon of crushed cardamom seeds, 2 tablespoons chopped coconut pieces. Now if you don't have coconut pieces, you can omit, but this will give a nice crunch. This is a quick and easy instant evening snack and it's very easy to make, so I'm using whatever ingredients I'm having at home right now. Now if you don't have this coconut pieces, you can use freshly grated coconut, but the coconut pieces will give a slight crunch or a nice bite into it. And I'm adding in half cup whole wheat flour. Now the whole wheat I'm using is a kapli wheat, also known as emmer wheat. However, you can use ordinary whole wheat flour instead. Kapli wheat has a very weak gluten molecule. Hence, I prefer to use kapli wheat in my recipes. Next, I'm adding in a pinch of baking soda. And now I'm going to mix this all really well. So I have not added any water yet, and I have mashed the bananas really well, and this has almost come into a dough. And now I'm adding in little water, about 2 tablespoons water. And I'm mashing the banana pieces. Another tablespoon water. So this is the consistency what I'm looking for. I'm heating up my paniyaram pan, which in Malayalam we call as unni appam chatti. I bought this online. I will leave the link in the description box below. So into each mold I am adding in about 1 teaspoon oil. My pan is well seasoned, hence the batter will not get sticked. Now with wet hands, pinch off lemon sized balls from the dough and add it into the mold. Now as it starts cooking, it will puff up slightly. So that is the reason why I am adding in small balls. A very quick and easy instant evening snack for children, especially in this lockdown period. Traditionally, unniyappam is made with rice flour, and you may need to keep it for a few hours to get very soft unniyappam. But when you're making it with whole wheat flour, you can make it instantly and the unniyappam will also be soft and tasty. So I'm flipping it over. As you can see, my pan is well seasoned. So the small unniyappams will not get stick to the pan. So make sure your cast iron pan is well seasoned if you are using cast iron pan. Also remember that cooking in cast iron helps in better iron absorption. So try to cook at least one of your meal in a cast iron cookware if you have iron deficiency anemia. Also remember that cast iron has more heat retention than ordinary pan. It will get cooked up very fast. So in just about 5 minutes this will be ready, and you don't also have to keep the dough to rest. So it's very quick and easy healthy breakfast for children. Okay, now all the small unni appams are ready. I'm going to remove it from the pan. It's about 4:30 in the evening now. Since both my children are at home, especially my son, he needs something in the evening. So in about 2 to 3 minutes, you can flip it over. You can see it's very soft and spongy and slightly crisp on the outside, soft in the insides. So guys, do try this healthy snack and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. And also please do stay at home. Together let's flatten the curve. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.